friends, it is a beautiful day here in Reykjavik and I need to take advantage of this fall weather. The fall colors are, I would say, at their peak, but I really think that after the next couple of days, they're gonna go over peak. Today is supposed to be like in the mid 50s, so I just have to go and explore. I just have to go see things, you know? It's just in my blood. I am headed towards the Golden Circle today to hike Bruarfoss. I just got everything packed up for the day, including my snacks and camera gear, so let's go take a look. Okay, snacks for today include water, Noon, which is a nice hydration electrolyte collab, which is like an energy drink, but it's not terrible for you. Almond butter and apple combination, skyr, my favorite Bearbell flavor, and have some chips. Because you know what? You just never know what you're gonna want after a hike. Okay, gear for today includes backpacks, headband and gloves, boots, the drone, extra batteries, cell phone, and my red coat. Road trip playlist coming up. Oh yeah. So Bruarfoss is this just like Gatorade color waterfall that's on the Golden Circle, and it used to be one of the best hidden gems. Back in the day when we first moved here, there was an old way of getting to Bruarfoss that no longer exists, but it was basically through a summer house area, which is where locals go on the weekends and hang out with their family and friends. So yeah, you could see why they don't want a bunch of tourists just driving into like their personal driveways. The old way is absolutely forbidden. It's considered trespassing and you can get serious fines if you do it, so do not do the old way under any circumstances. The new way to access Bruarfoss, which we will be obviously taking today, actually has a proper parking lot and you're walking along the river the whole time. And then bonus, along the way, you do get to see a couple of other waterfalls. All in all, the hike is probably gonna take 3 hours, I would say. All right, guys, just got to the parking lot at Bruarfoss, and I have to say, this place just keeps getting more and more popular. Yeah, so the parking lot is pretty big considering what it is, but there's probably about 25 other cars here right now, and it's the end of September. So whereas definitely people weren't stopping here before, they are now. But either way, it's still just a beautiful day. Let's get into it. So excited! It's beautiful out, so can't complain. This is what hiking boots are for, people. This hike is intense, you guys. The mud is so thick though. I'd say this is pretty standard for autumn. Hiking boots are essential. I hear falling water and a lot of people. So we're coming up to our first waterfall. Oh my God. So this waterfall is called Waterfalls. The first foss that you come across on the hike. Look at this blue! How blue can water even get though? I don't understand. It's unbelievable. I just put my backpack down to take off a layer of clothing. Like, it's unbelievable how nice it is. I'm just like, yeah, I think I'm just gonna sit here for a while. Like, I'm actually warm and it's September. It's so weird. You guys can do this one, it's not too hard. Waterfalls. About 40 minutes into the hike. Really easy so far, it's just flat walking, but it's just a little bit on the long side, so last push to the end. There she is, Bruarfoss. I can see it from here. You're gonna love it. Let's go take a look. It's amazing. Well worth the walk. All right, friends, that is Bruarfoss. I'm telling you, I've been here so many times, and every time it's just a banger. It's just amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the hike. I highly recommend coming here, even though it does take a lot more time. It's off the beaten track, but it is well worth a visit, I promise. I love it out here. It's really, really beautiful. Let's look at the damage. All in all, not too bad. They just need a good washing. Yeah, that's signs of a good hike. My post-hike reward is going to be, I can literally see it just across the river here, is called Efstadalur, and it is a farm that's now converted into a cafe restaurant, and they have some of my favorite ice cream. So I will be going there now. And I highly recommend that you do the same. All right, we got this long drive to Efstadalur to get our post-hike ice cream, you guys. Oh, never mind. There it is. It's literally 1 minute away. The best thing to do after Bruarfoss. And here we are. cows. So they're out of my go-to order, which is salted caramel, but this is called Bounty, which is similar to Mounds, which is like chocolate with coconut flakes, and that's pretty good as a second option.